let me show you this new tire pressure monitoring system that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really useful, so you can know and monitor your tires pressure from your car's tire pressure, okay? It's so easy. It has a display that you can put in your car window, and it has a solar panel. So when you put it in your car window, it will get energy from the sun, okay? Or you can connect it to a USB-C cord if for any reason there's not enough sun, okay? So the system is already paired with the sensors. You get the 4 sensors. Each of them has the tire they should be installed in, like left front, left rear, right front, right rear, okay? So it's easy to locate them. You get also a USB-C cable if you need to charge the monitor in your car, and all the accessories to install the actual sensors in your car tires, okay? We're going to do it and show you how it works. Let's go. We're going now to install the sensor. You install this nut first. I did it already here. You have some extra O-rings if you want to change the ones inside the sensors. We're not going to do that right now. That's to change the battery and protect the battery and the inside of the sensor from any moisture, okay? And you install the sensor, tighten it up with your hands, and then with the nut, you are going to tighten it from the inside out. Okay. That way it won't move. Okay. You see, you're receiving the signal from the rear right sensor, 31 psi. They are already linked to the system in the right position if you follow the letters in the sensors. Let's install all of them. If for any reason you need to change the battery, you can use this accessory also to open them. And change the battery, okay? Here. As you can see, we have now the reading of all the tires, the 4 tires of the car, and you can install the sensor anywhere with the provided double-sided tape, okay? Remember that it will recharge itself with the sun here, with this solar panel, or you can connect it with the USB-C cable. You also have not only the pressure, but the temperature reading for each tire. That is also important because if they get too hot, it can be a problem also. So you have a presetting of the system of the pressure is read in PSIs, temperature is read in Fahrenheit, and you can change everything, those settings with these buttons, okay? Everything is explained in your user manual, and you can adjust it to work as you like it, okay? So great option if you don't have a pressure reading in your car, or the one in your car is broken down. This is a great option to replace them or to have a backup system. Thank you.